Welcome to Car Supreme, your ultimate source for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BYD ATTO 3, a vehicle that's turning heads with its mix of performance, technology, and style. The ATTO 3 continues BYD's reputation for innovation, offering an attractive package for those considering an electric SUV that's modern, efficient, and highly capable. With a combination of futuristic design, smart features, and powerful specs, the ATTO 3 aims to provide both style and substance for electric vehicle enthusiasts and new EV buyers alike. Starting with its design, the 2025 ATTO 3 stands out with its sleek and aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille, and LED lights that give it a sophisticated and sporty look. The interior design also impresses, with a focus on creating a high-tech, comfortable space for both driver and passengers. It includes a large, central touchscreen that integrates BYD's latest infotainment system, offering easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The cabin materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, high-quality upholstery, and a spacious layout that enhances comfort for everyone on board. Now, let's talk performance. The ATTO 3 is powered by BYD's advanced electric drivetrain, delivering impressive acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. Depending on the market and specific variant, the ATTO 3 offers different power options, giving consumers flexibility based on their driving needs and preferences. One of the most exciting aspects is its long electric range, supported by BYD's Blade battery technology, known for safety, longevity, and efficiency. The range of the 2025 ATTO 3 means that most drivers can go several days on a single charge, making it ideal for city commutes and longer trips alike. Charging is made simple with compatibility for fast charging stations, allowing for a quick recharge during those busy days or road trips. Tech and safety features are another highlight of the ATTO 3. This model comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems designed to provide additional safety and convenience on the road. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking are all included, working seamlessly to help prevent accidents and reduce driver fatigue. The ATTO 3 also includes multiple airbags, advanced braking systems, and a strong body structure, all engineered to prioritize passenger safety. For those who value connectivity, the ATTO 3 is equipped with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and multiple USB ports, making it easy to stay connected while on the move. The voice command feature allows for hands-free control of various functions, while the climate control system is designed to keep the cabin comfortable, no matter the weather outside. To sum it up, the 2025 BYD ATTO 3 is a solid option for anyone looking to go electric without compromising on style, performance, or technology. It offers a refined driving experience, advanced safety, and a spacious, modern cabin that makes it a pleasure to drive every day. Thanks for watching, and if you want more updates and reviews on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe to Car Supreme for all things automotive.